Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is masala peanuts. Now these masala peanuts we usually buy it from the shop, but did you know that we can also make it at home? Well, I'm going to show you a simple recipe as to how to make these masala peanuts. For the masala peanuts, take about 200 to 250 grams of peanuts. To this, I'm going to add salt. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, chaat masala 1 teaspoon, black salt 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. So add about 2 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of oil. So gently mix all the nuts with all the masala. Now you can see the water is just perfect and the masala has coated all the nuts beautifully. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. The peanuts have been soaking in masala for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon besan or gram flour, 1 teaspoon rice flour. Mix everything gently and make sure the peanuts are coated with the flour. So you can see after mixing all the flour together with the peanuts, I need to coat it a little more. So I'm going to add a little more besan. After you mix the peanuts with the flour, let it sit for another 10 minutes before frying. So after 10 minutes, the peanuts are ready. You can fry them. Take a pan, add enough oil for frying the peanuts. Keep the flame on low and fry the peanuts because you need to make sure that the peanuts are cooked inside. Now that you know how to make these masala peanuts, you can try them and you can actually store them in a nice airtight container and keep it for about 3 to 4 days. So do try this recipe and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the Home Cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.